the receive function, warehouse receipts. In this session, we'll show you how to receive items. We have ordered some items. They have arrived at our inbound ramp, ready to be registered with the mobile devices. But instead of receiving items directly from a purchase order, we will use the warehouse receipt in Business Central. The warehouse receipt allows the warehouse manager to get the order lines from multiple sources: purchase orders, sales return orders, etc. You can do this by using the Get Source Document function in Business Central. In this session, we will use multiple purchase orders. We will also show you what happens if you enable Require Put Away on the location card in Business Central, though we will not show you the put away process in this session. So let me just start by showing you the warehouse setup for this specific scenario. So in this part, we'll work on the silver warehouse. And if we just scroll down to the warehouse tab, we can see that we have a few check marks enabled. We have require receive, and we have require put away, and also we have bin mandatory. And because we have bin mandatory, we can now specify a receipt bin code if we want to place the items on a specific bin when we have received them. And this is what we'll do in this session. So that was the warehouse setup. So let's go and create a couple of purchase orders. So this was my first purchase order, number 106043. I'll just release this and go back and create another one. And now I've created a new purchase order with a different vendor. This is number 106044. I'll also release this. Okay. So the next thing we will do is to go to warehouse receipts. And create a new one. We'll work on the silver warehouse. And here was the bin code from the location card. So now we'll select the orders to appear on the warehouse receipt. We go to Actions, Functions, and Get Source Documents. And here we can see we have the two purchase orders that we created before. So now we have created our warehouse receipt. So now I'll go and get my mobile device and select Receive. And here you can see we now have our warehouse receipt document available on the mobile device with the two purchase orders we created. So now I'll receive the items and make the registrations. And I'll take the last item. We'll set the expiration date, and this is lot number tracked, so I'll just scan the lot number and accept the quantity. And now the system asks me to post the order. I will hit yes and enter the delivery note number. And the order posted successfully. Okay. So now we can just check Business Central to see if the registrations are made. First of all, I'll go to the posted warehouse receipts. And this is the one, number 16, that we just worked on. I'll select this. And here you can see the two purchase orders with the items that we just registered. They are now placed on this bin in my warehouse. And as you may recall, we will also enable the require put away on the location card. And this means that a put away document now has been created automatically. And this, we can check this also in Business Central. Here, warehouse putaways. And on the silver warehouse, we have our putaway document. And you can see the details, the lines, that this is the where the items are placed right now in my warehouse. And this is the suggested bin that where the warehouse worker will place the items in the put-away process. We can go to the mobile device and just select the put-away functionality, and here you can see the document also available on the mobile device. So that was another receipt scenario where we showed you how you can use the warehouse receipt document to combine a couple of purchase orders and make the registrations in that process. And also we showed you that a put-away document automatically was created because we enabled the required put-away on the location card.